Hey everyone, I'm Alisha and I'm with ASIANA TV today, and what we're doing is a HIIT workout for beginners. There are only 5 exercises and it's only 15 minutes long. Each exercise is going to be 40 seconds on and 20 seconds off. I'm going to show you the exercises as we go along. All you need is a water bottle and a mat. So, let's get started. So our first exercise involves star jumps and spotty dogs. Here we go, star jumps to spotty dogs. So, during this workout, this first round, you just want to get familiarised with the exercises before you push yourself. So with this, if you do find these hard, just do normal star jumps. You don't need to add the spotty dog. It does involve a bit of coordination. Nearly finished this first exercise. 2, 1. Right, so we've got 20 seconds off before our second exercise. This second exercise is going to be on the floor. What we're going to do is a press up and then we're going to touch our shoulders. It's called a shoulder tap. So we're going to do 1 press up and 2 shoulder taps. And then we're going to continue doing that for 40 seconds. Alright, here we go guys. Off we go. You want to bring that chest to the floor and you want to do the shoulder tap. So with these shoulder taps, you want to keep your body as still as possible. Like so. Remember, it's all about getting familiar with the exercises this round. So ease yourself into it. If you're finding the press-ups too easy, you can do normal press-ups, not on your knees. 2, 1. Right, 20 seconds off. Remember to drink water if you need to in this rest. So our third exercise is a half burpee. So go down like this and do a leg extension, or you can walk into that burpee and do the leg extension. Here we go. So, down like this and leg extension. So remember to take your time. This is your first round. Get used to that exercise. Woo! You should be warming up now. I certainly am. Whew. Remember, you do have the option to walk into it instead of add this jump in. 2, 1. Nice work. So we've got a curtsy lunge with a squat. So we're going to curtsy like this. We're going to squat. And we're going to curtsy lunge again. And I'm going to continuously do that for the next 40 seconds. Okay? So get ready. Here we go. Curtsy lunge, squat, and curtsy lunge. And just keep doing that. Try and get as low down as you can. Remember, take your time. There is no rush in this first round. It's all about getting familiar with those exercises. You start feeling it in your legs soon. Right, rest. So we're on to the last exercise. It's called a butterfly sit-up. So what you do is you're on the floor like this. You're going to go down and you're going to come back up and touch those toes. So you keep doing that for 40 seconds. If you need a bit of a break, take about 2 seconds off in between, 5 seconds off, and then keep going. Alright, here we go. Remember to go slowly throughout this bit. Get used to the exercise. Strengthen that core. Remember to engage the core. You've got this, guys. Keep moving. Nearly there. Nearly finished that first round. 2, 1. Well done guys, we finished our first round. We've only got 2 rounds to go. So now you know all the exercises. We're going to go back to the top and repeat. Star dogs and the spotty dogs are first. So if you get ready, have your water if you need it. And we're going to start our second round. 2, 1, off we go. Star dogs, spotty dogs. You can still do just star dogs on your own if you want to. There is no one watching you. It's all about keeping active and enjoying it while you're doing it. So now that we're in our second round, we can kind of increase the pace a bit to get, you know, that little workout a bit harder. That's it, keep going. We're nearly there. 2, 1. That's done. Second exercise, back on the floor. It's those press ups and shoulder taps, okay? So have your water if you need it, and then get ready. So if we get into position, and then we can get ready to go. Ready, steady, go. So remember, chest to the floor and shoulder taps. Chest to the floor and shoulder taps. So now that you've done this before, you can increase the pace a bit. With those shoulder taps, remember, you don't want to move all your body. You just want to keep as still as possible. Engage that core with the press. 2, 1, nice. Let's get back up on our feet. So we've got that half burpee again with the leg extensions. This one is always the one that tires everyone out. Not everyone likes those burpees, but honestly they're the best exercise. So, let's get ready. 2, 1, off we go. Here we go, burpee with that leg extension. With those knees, you want to drive them up. With all the energy you have, you want to drive them up. As if you're kind of kicking up, kick up, kick up. Remember, you still don't have to do that jump. If you'd much rather walk in and out, that is absolutely fine. That's it guys. Keep going, we're nearly there with this one. 2, 1, nice. We've got a rest again. Then we've got the curtsy lunge with the squats, okay? If you get in position. So, 2, 1, off we go. Curtsy squat. So yet again, it's all about control with this one. And a little smile, remind me if you prefer it. That's it. We are nearly there. Keep going, guys. Nearly through our second round. Nice, 20 seconds off. So, we're back on the floor. We're going to do those butterfly sit-ups. And then we'll finish our second round. So, remember legs out, pointing like this. Engage that core. And get ready. 2, 1, off we go. Touch those toes. So, now it's our second round. You might want to pick up the pace a bit, or just maintain a steady pace all the way through. If you're tiring out, slow the pace down, or if you do really need a rest, give yourself just a couple of seconds and then get back moving. We got this, guys. Whew. Second round is nearly done. So we've only got one more round to go. One more round. Every exercise we're going to do one more time. So we've got this. Remember, we're starting with those star jumps and spotty dogs. Okay? So, 5 seconds. 2, 1. Star jumps, 2 spotty dogs. Off we go. Let's see how fast we can move now. If you can go as fast, if you can go any faster, this is the time. You want to really push it now. You want to get that heart rate up. We want to make these last 5 minutes worth it. Come on guys, we've got this. Woo. Nearly there. You've got this, keep going, keep pushing. 2, 1. Nice, we're not doing those anymore. Next one, back on the floor. While we're doing a press up with the shoulder taps again, okay? So, press up, 2 shoulder taps, and keep going. Last time we're doing this exercise, we've got it. 3, 2, 1, off we go. Press, shoulder tap. Now remember, this is where you can increase the pace. It is your last round. Keep pushing. Try not to take any rest if you can. The important thing is to just keep going. You want to go as close to the floor as you can with those press ups. I know it gets hard as the time goes on, but keep pushing. 2, 1, nice. 3 exercises left, guys. Burpees, last time we're going to be doing them, and then we've only got 2 exercises after that. Half burpee with those kick-up drives. Let's try and do them as fast as we can. Let's get that heart rate positive. Let's go. So drive up. Bring those legs across the body. This is probably the toughest one. You've got this. Remember, still don't need to do that jump. You can walk in and out. Just work as hard as you can. We've got this, guys. 2, 1. Nice. 2 more exercises left. Then we can lie on the floor, do what we want, drink water, eat food, relax. So we've got these curtsy lunges with the squats, okay? So if we get ready, and then 3, 2, 1, off we go. Curtsy lunge, squat, curtsy lunge. See it again. You can add some pace if you want to. But with this, you just want to make sure you're nice and controlled all the way through. So you've got this. Nearly there with this one. But only 1 exercise to go. 2, 1. Nice. 1 exercise to go, guys. Back on the floor. We're going to do those butterfly sit-ups. We're going to try and go hardcore. Last exercise as fast as possible. So get ready. Engage this core. Last exercise. Off we go. Right, you want to go as fast as you can. Keep pushing. Keep going. You've got it. Engage that core. Keep going. Last exercise. Give it all that you have. Nearly there. Keep pushing. Woo. 2, 1. give yourself a pat on the back. You've smashed it. Well done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you keep replenished, and I'll see you next time.